Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MailerLite for email list segmentation step by step clearly. To activate MailerLite for email list segmentation, start by logging into your MailerLite account. Here, you'll find an option to create a new segment. Click on the Create Segment button. You will be prompted to name your segment. Choose a name that clearly identifies the audience you wish to target. Select the desired criteria from the drop-down menus. You can use attributes such as location, engagement, or sign-up date. Combine multiple criteria by selecting Add Condition. Continue adding conditions until your segment is tailored to your needs. Once you've configured the segmentation criteria, review your selections carefully. After confirming your choices, click on the Save button to finalize the segment. Your new segment will now appear in the list of available segments. To use this segment for campaigns, go to the Campaigns tab. Create a new campaign or edit an existing one. In the Campaign settings, find the Audience section. Select Segments and then choose the newly created segment. Proceed to customize your campaign content and design as needed. Once complete, schedule or send your campaign specifically to the chosen segment. Congratulations, you have successfully activated MailerLite for email list segmentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.